Have you been struggling to make money in the markets and you just don't know where to begin? Well, I have the perfect indicator for you. It's called the signaler. And the signaler is an indicator that I have been using for the past year, and I've been making profits day in, day out with a very simple strategy that I use. I've shown you in previous videos and I'm going to show you again today. There's a trade that I took on USD CAD, which I took this morning, and it ran some healthy profits. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Let's jump over to the website. So guys, as you can see, we are over on TradingView, and I'm just going to show you real quick how to get the indicator set up. So you head up to indicators, invite only, and click on the signaler. You minimize this bit here, and as you can see, the indicator is nicely on the chart. A very quick overview: when you get given a long signal, that is your signal to buy. When you get given a short signal, that is your signal to sell. The green background means you are in a bullish trend, and the red means that you are in a bearish trend. Now, as you would have known from previous videos, I like to trade the London Open. So for me, I am on the charts at 6 AM waiting to take a trade. Now, I have my alerts ready to go, and the way you do that is you head over to the signaler indicator over here, you click the three dots, click add alert, and you will be redirected to this page. Now, as you can see, the symbol is currently on UCAD, and I have the alert set to 3 minutes, as that's the time frame I like to trade on. So if you're gonna change anything, it's just gonna be the different time frames that you can trade on. Once you've done that, click create, and then you will have alerts coming through to your phone, to your iPad, in the trading app, to your email, however you want it, you will be alerted and you can start trading. Now I'm going to run you through this UCAD trade I took. As you can see, I'm going to take you to the 6 AM mark. Now this is when I'm on the chart. This is when I have my coffee ready. So I'm going to run you through this trade now. Okay, so as you can see here, the time is currently 6 AM and I'm on the charts. I've got my coffee, I'm ready to go. So all I'm doing is waiting for an alert to come through on my phone saying that I have either a short or a long signal available. For UCAD, because we're in a bullish trend, I would be expecting a short. So if we play it out, we can see that the candles come a little bit lower and a short is given on this candle right here. So super simple process. All I do is I take an entry on the top of that candle where it closed. I put my stop loss behind this red line here, which is the trend line, and I look for liquidity points to target. A lot of other traders I know use a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1. I personally like to look for liquidity points. So I'll highlight that for you now where I was looking. So to give you an idea, if I'm risking $1,000, I've just made $4,400. If I was risking 1%, I've just made 4.4%. So it's a very healthy return for a very quick morning trade. Now I'm going to play this out so you can see how it moved and how quick the trade actually was. So once I'm in this, I've got my stop loss set, I've got my take profit. So all I have to do is just leave it alone and let it run to these liquidity points in the market. Here we go, we come down, immediately good reaction, pulls back up a bit, understandable, sweeps more liquidity, heads further down, and eventually it absolutely blasts through the TP. Now, this trade took about 5 to 6 hours. I think it was 5.5 in total. Yeah, so, you know, I put the trade on, I went out for my morning, and I came back to a healthy win. Now, as I've shown in previous videos, this is literally on a daily basis. It is making me so much money, and it could make you guys money too. Now, with the links in the description below, you'll get directed to the signaler website. And as you can see, it's very clean, very nice. I love the colors, very professional, and you can have a little look around so you can see what's going on. To sign up, that is at the bottom, we'll get there. Scrolling down, you can see previous videos that other traders have shared just how good this indicator actually is. There are nice smart features, up to 90% accuracy in trend predictions, works across crypto stocks and forex markets, real-time alerts with no delays or repainting. The repainting thing is so key. I've used so many indicators in the past that when you look back at the history, they look great, but when you're playing in real time, they don't work because they are repainting the signals. Obviously, results speak for themselves. You can see here in the VIP channel, 247%, 424%, 2,893%. When you join, you will have access to this, so you can go ahead and take signals that guys are giving as well. Now, there are plans for every style of trading. You've got the 1 month, the 3 month, the 1 year. That's for the indicator. You can have it for the VIP channel as well. But realistically, the best value is the lifetime bundle. You get absolutely everything you need in here. So all you need to do is click buy now and you will get redirected to the page to follow the process. You put in your Telegram link, you put in your TradingView account, and then you go ahead and purchase this subscription. And then you go ahead and purchase this one time to have full access to this. And again, just look at my videos, copy the strategy that I've been using, and you can have access to as much money as you need, guys. Now, to show you the VIP Signal Alert Telegram page, you can see here that they have the Signal Alert. They give you the coin, they give you the direction, where to put your stop loss, where to take profit. They give you absolutely everything you need to be making money in the market. Moving up a little bit, you can see the profits going on here, 792%. 428%, 551%, more signals given out. It is such a good indicator and a great community for you to be a part of, as there are many other people like you looking to make money, and this is the place to be. So again, guys, as you see, this is such a great indicator and it is super easy to use. So go ahead, click the links in the description below, get signed up, get going, and then go ahead, click the like, click the subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next video.